solid relationship with musicians because a lot of people don't do that anymore. You know, like it's like a do or die kind of thing, and it shouldn't be like that because especially women musicians, we could empower ourselves by working together so much more. But there's always, you know, it's like, it's politics, man. You can't put half the stuff I'm saying like this on the internet because everybody will be so mad. Like nothing is attainable when you're a chick. Like they don't hand it to you. It's always like that. It's always like, oh, you probably play tens and they're cute and you're cute. Like, no, motherfucker, I wail. Like, don't tell me I'm cute. That's why I play 12 gauge strings. That's why I play a wider neck. That's why I hit hard. That's why I bend it, just to get the feeling to come out. You can be great without having to have the stature of the name or whatever people think that you have to have in order to be recognized. You don't need $1 million to be great. You just need you and your craft. And to do it. You just need to do it. All the time. I'm getting really emotional.
Showed up just when you told me you're waking and I know you're just as naked when I arrive. It's gonna be me and you tonight, coming around my way.
Just small strokes, small little things, because life is all about the small little details that you piece together to make the bigger picture. It's little steps, it's little things that you do to make the day awesome. It's little things that you do for people to make their life better, and it's just all about the little details that without that little piece, the wall would crumble. That's, you know, it's like the thing that's like overlooked by a lot of people, I think, is the little details, the little fascinations, the little imagination parts, anything. The little kiss on the forehead when you wake up in the morning, the little thank you note on your lunchbox or whatever, the little text that says, hey, I know you're really busy, but I want to tell you that I love you a lot and I know you're doing great things. The little parts. The little parts that make the big picture. I love when people do that. I love it.
The whiskey I drink in my bloodstream, and you're just a memory I keep for my own sake, to feel like I feel when I love that I know.
There's a ghost that lives here. Hi. It moves the kitchen lights up and down. But it really likes when I play guitar, so like I'll be playing guitar, see? And it will dim to the beat of the rhythm, like you see that? Isn't that crazy? It's insane. I love it. It really likes when I play guitar.
I know I'm so surprised to see you laying next to me. This seems just like a dream. In my mind, yours tonight. Coming around my way, it's alright.
Do another one? You want to do a different one?
I like that one. I like the one you cut off earlier with the string breaking.
No barking or commotion.
That bitch jinxed my fucking guitar.
What happened? Oh
Broke a
shit.
string.
All right.
This crazy lady came up and she was like, I want to sell my guitar in here, but it's broken here and here and here. I was like, you're touching my guitar while you're saying that with your negativity and your broken heart and your broken life and your broken guitar. Don't touch me or my aura when you have all of that, because you're jinxing me. Broke a string, man. All right, let's try this again. Let's go back to North Carolina.
good. I don't know. Now I don't know what I'm talking about. I can't wait. Woo! Set the world on fire. Get ready. It's coming. It's coming.